Hello, this is I Hate Gravel or Nobody, whichever you prefer. This is a quickish guide on how to link your pre-existing MCPEDL submission with the new Curseforge program. Now, we're going to get started with step 3 of this page right here. Now, I'll link this in the description so you'll be able to find it easy, but it's a great guide on how to do this. But let's start with step 3, linking your Curseforge account to your MCPEDL profile. Now there's a quick hyperlink you can go to right there. Go to Profile, and then Connected Accounts. And then Curseforge, then you will push Connect and link your account. It'll just have you sign in, quick and easy. Now step 4, uploading your project's Curseforge. For this, relatively simple, nice hyperlink right there. I'm going to do Start a Project. Then we will do Bedrock. Minecraft Bedrock. Now, whichever submission you're going to do this with, I will do it with this add-on right here. It is technically already on Curseforge, but it will still be a good example. Continuing step 4, let's get the project name. So, project name is Gravel's Hammers. Now, the logo. This is not your MCPEDL featured image. This is a separate image used for Curseforge. It needs to be 1-to-1 ratio. So basically, it's a rectangle. So just use this one. As you can see, it's a square image. A summary. Now, you just get this from your brief introduction. So there you go. That's easy. Now, class is add-ons. Main category is jetpacks. Do not use additional categories. Just leave that alone. Now, if you're using something else, like texture packs, of course, you wouldn't use these other categories. And then this doesn't really matter in this case, if you're using any of these other categories. Now, allow comments is up to you. I personally do not turn that on, and do not turn on this project is experimental. Just leave that off. Okay, next. Let's get into the description. Now, this is not the same as MCPEDL. You cannot just copy over your entire description and paste it inside of this. That's not how that works. Now, you have two options. You can do this or Markdown. Markdown is more complicated. It's more structured. Think of it more like coding. Now, this, you just type things in. So, title is here. You know, just type in stuff like the old MCPEDL page. So for this, I will just be pasting in my markdown description. This is up to you to create this. I can't really show how to do this in a guide very well. Now let's just go next. Now, project license, I typically do all rights reserved. Why? Because this basically says it's mine, no one's allowed to use it. Project distribution, now this, and I know the name sounds weird, but this must be allowed distribution to third party. MCPEDL is not a third party, it is completely owned by Curseforge. I do not know why it is named as a third party. Now, just press create. Ta-da! Okay, let's get into some crucial steps. So, your slug. You may not know what a slug is, but basically, just go to your MCPEDL page and get this part here. So, let's just copy this. So it's the text after mcpedl.com. So we just go this and ta-da. Now, everything should be good here. Besides the slug being set correctly between your projects, media is actually one of the most important things to linking your projects. So, let's start with your featured image that will be used on your MCPEDL page. So, this image right here, you have to define this on your Curseforge project. This will not link if you do not set this. So let's just go to the project, add media, upload or drag media, whatever works. Okay. Now, many people get confused about this. Now, description doesn't matter. Your title is what matters the most. So, completely delete everything in your title and type MCPEDL. Nothing else, all capitalized. Apply. Okay. Just exit out. Nice. Now, once your project gets approved, it will not link yet. It will be first linked when you get your first file. So, let's just send the file for approval. So, just go to my project, get the file, okay. Okay, 2.8. Now, game, select your version, ideally the latest version, release, and just your changelog. You can do the same thing with the description. You can write in Markdown or regular text. So let's just do test file for video guide. Okay, so for MCPEDL, I would not recommend using release options because when you push I would like to publish this file manually, it will bump it to the page when it was approved, not when you press the publish button. So it's not very useful. So upload file. Okay, the file is submitted. Your MCPEDL image, which is used as the featured image, is submitted. Is well set. And allow distribution to third party. You got the description. Now, something to be aware is any images that you are using in your description need to be added in your media. So right now, this is actually linking to a different Curseforge project for these images, but you typically want to link them to your images in your media folder, or your media tab. Okay, so let's just go to our MCPEDL project. Now, assuming this file is accepted, your project is accepted, you go to your MCPEDL project and it will say published on Curseforge, and it will show the creation date as when it was first accepted on Curseforge. So for me, that'll be October 2nd, 2023. Nice and simple. And description, everything carries over, and the download link is used from Curseforge. So this is basically direct to download it from Curseforge. Simple, nice and easy. If anyone has any questions, put them in the description, I guess, and I will answer as best as I can.